The golden sun rises over the vast African savanna, casting long shadows across the endless plains. A lioness moves silently through the tall grass, her amber eyes locked onto a herd of grazing zebras. Every muscle in her body tenses as she prepares to strike. With a burst of raw power, she launches forward. Dust explodes into the air as the chase begins. The zebras bolt, their black and white patterns blending into a mesmerizing blur. But the lioness is relentless, singling out the weakest, her sharp claws inches away. Suddenly, the herd shifts direction, and she loses her target. Today, the hunt escapes her grasp, but tomorrow is another story. High above, an African fish eagle soars effortlessly, its keen eyes scanning the shimmering river below. With pinpoint precision, it dives, talons extended, plunging into the water and emerging with a writhing fish. Its powerful wings beat against the wind as it carries its prize to a high perch, where it tears into its fresh catch. In the thick of the jungle, a kaleidoscope of colors bursts into motion. A resplendent macaw flutters from tree to tree, its fiery red, yellow, and blue feathers flashing like embers in the sunlight. It squawks loudly, calling to its mate as they dance through the canopy. Below them, a group of howler monkeys swing effortlessly between branches, their deep, echoing calls vibrating through the humid air. The rainforest floor tells another tale. A venomous green mamba slithers silently through the undergrowth, its emerald scales shimmering under the dappled light. It stops, its forked tongue flickering as it detects a nearby movement. A small rodent freezes, sensing danger too late. In the blink of an eye, the snake strikes, its venom acting swiftly. The circle of life continues. As the afternoon heat intensifies, a herd of African elephants approaches a watering hole. Their massive tusks glisten as they trumpet loudly, calling their young to the cool, muddy banks. A baby elephant playfully splashes in the water, its trunk spraying a mist of refreshment. Nearby, a lone crocodile remains perfectly still, its eyes just above the surface, waiting patiently for the perfect opportunity. As the sky turns into a masterpiece of oranges, purples, and deep reds, the night hunters begin to stir. A pack of African wild dogs prepares for their evening hunt, their mottled coats blending seamlessly into the dimming landscape. Their teamwork is unmatched, their strategy ruthless. Together, they move like shadows, closing in on an unsuspecting gazelle. High in the sky, the stars emerge one by one, illuminating the untamed wilderness below. The sounds of the night fill the air, the distant roar of a lion, the rhythmic chirping of crickets, and the occasional rustle of an unseen creature. This is nature in its purest form, savage, stunning, and utterly breathtaking.